Are you bored of plain old sauerkraut? You looking for something different? Well, today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, and that is Curdito.
Welcome to Cooking with What You Got.
Curdito is known as Salvadoran Coleslaw, and it can be found in various parts of Central America. Whipping up a batch shouldn't take much more than 20 minutes. There's only 6 ingredients: cabbage, onion, carrot, jalapenos, lemon, and salt. Squeeze the juice of a lemon or a lime. Chop the jalapenos. Quarter the onion. Peel the carrot. Use a processor to shred the carrots, onion, and cabbage. Combine the vegetables and weigh them. This allows you to figure out how much salt to use. In this batch, I added 2 tablespoons of salt. Add the vegetables and salt in alternating layers. Add your lemon or lime juice. Now you need to massage the salt into the vegetables. Be thorough. Place the weights on the mixture and press down. There should be a noticeable amount of liquid. Place the lid on the crock and add water to the moat. This creates a seal to keep the oxygen out. Our house is kept at 20 degrees Celsius, so my Curdito is fermented to my liking after 7 days. I pack the Curdito into sealable glass jars, such as mason jars. Store the Curdito in the fridge. It keeps for months, even up to a year. Curdito is great on sandwiches, tacos, and eggs. Drop me a comment and tell me your go-to dish to eat Curdito with. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more of my content.